Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make chicken curry. Hope you guys will like the video, and if you like the video please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. The things we need to make chicken curry are 1 kg chicken, half cup yogurt, 4 tomatoes, 1.5 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, chopped ginger as required, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, some green coriander, 4 chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoon fried onion. Let's marinate the chicken first. So first of all, I'm adding ginger garlic paste, adding some salt to taste, adding black pepper now, some lemon juice, and yogurt. Mixing everything nicely so everything is set on place and set aside. Then take a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add tomatoes in. Frying the tomatoes for a minute, and then I will cover the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes the tomatoes are fully soft, so I'm going to mash them a little bit more with the help of the spoon. And now I'm adding chili flakes. Then add the marinated chicken. Do not add any water because the water from the yogurt is what we're gonna cook the chicken in. So after mixing nicely, I'm covering the lid for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm adding some ginger, and some I will leave for the garnish in the end. And same, I'm adding some green chilies now, and we'll leave few for the end. Sprinkling some coriander, and we'll leave some for the end. Adding some fried onion. Then add garam masala. Mix everything nicely. And keep mixing and make sure everything is combined nicely. And mix until the oil separates from the curry and curry is fully combined. And this is how it should look at the end. There we go. Our chicken curry is ready, and we'll garnish with some stuff. First of all, I'm adding green chilies. Garnish some green coriander. Lastly, some ginger. There you go, our chicken curry is ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.